Today we're going to be eating at a very famous fried chicken fast food chain here in Indonesia. We are at Richeese factory. For this one, can we have that level 5?
Level 5?
Level 5, yes.
We want to try it.
Try it for the YouTube subscribers. And
Are you wondering this pink lava, this strawberry milk or mango tea?
I would say 2 pink lavas.
2 pink lavas.
2 pink lava.
Yes. So that is the very pink drink that you can see just there. And could we have one of the ice cream cups?
Sorry, we don't have only vanilla ice cream.
Should we get the vanilla one then? Okay. Yeah, we'll get one of the vanilla ice creams. And is there anything here that Indonesian people love? Like the most popular?
Most popular is for one with rice and drink.
Okay.
So
So we have everything we've got everything.
Yes, 148,000.
Okay, so Bank of England, 148,000.
I haven't heard that for a while.
Okay, so we have 100,000, 200,000.
Can you wait 5 minutes? I will
Sure.
bring it to you.
Terima kasih. Okay, so level 5 Richeese. Where are we gonna sit? I think
It's crazy. It's lunchtime and it's actually
there's no one here, yeah.
super like...
And they didn't have all the things we wanted on the menu, which was a bit of a shame. I really was looking forward to the burger, but maybe over here is good, in front of the window.
This is for original chicken.
The original chicken is there.
And this is for spicy chicken with chili powder, and this is for non-spicy.
Non-spicy. And what?
This is skin.
The chicken skin, the chicken skin.
Crackling.
This is the rice.
Rice and then
The level 5. Is that level 5? And these are our pink drinks.
lava, this strawberry milk. With
Strawberry
coconut.
milk. Strawberry milk and
Yes, with
coconut.
coconut
Okay, and this is the ice cream.
ice cream.
Okay, so we've got some ice cream here to cool down after level 5. Alright, terima
Obviously
kasih.
a cheese sauce.
Well, which one is your favorite?
This for favorite thing.
Is the
My
Skin.
the
favorite.
skin? The
Yes.
skin. Okay, wow, that's going to be really good to try the skin. Okay, terima kasih. It's super nice. Okay, are you ready to dig in? I think we're gonna start off with the regular chicken and work ourselves up to the level 5. We've got the regular chicken here. We hear the fried chicken here is better than KFC, better than McDonald's. Let's find out. All right, so we've got the crispiness. It's a real big thing here in Indonesia, fried crispy chicken. And it is way better than back home, I can tell you that. But this one, let's see.
It looks really good.
Okay.
It's like real meat.
It's quite salty. You have this, let me get it out. We've got the cheese sauce here, so obviously it's Richeese factory, so I'm guessing it's famous for the cheese. Let's try and dip it in there. The first bite was a bit salty, like kind of lukewarm, and yeah, it wasn't as tasty as I was expecting, but let's try it with the cheese.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm actually having a completely different approach. My feelings are the opposite.
With the cheese is a game changer. It's the cheese, guys. Without the cheese, it just tastes like regular fried chicken. But the cheese brings it to life. And it's like American style cheese, so it's not like what I typically would like to eat, but with the chicken it tastes really good.
Kind of like mac and cheese kind of sauce. But what I like is the real meat. Like, I love it. I love it. Like, for me, this is actually a no-go when I go to a restaurant where it's all the things are greasy, but this one is a pure meat and it's crispy as well.
That cheese sauce. I think I've got a bone in my mouth.
Same.
Bits of bone, but I'll be honest with you guys. When I saw this American style cheese, usually it doesn't taste very good. And it's something, when I saw it on the menu, I was like, is it gonna taste a bit like kind of processed
Fake.
and fake? But actually it tastes really good. It must be some kind of special combination or special recipe. So I want to have a bit of a palate cleanser. I am really fascinated by this pink kind of juice. It's strawberry and coconut. Milk? Coconut milk? I don't know, coconut water maybe, I don't know.
I cannot smell the coconut.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be, no, this is gonna be really good after having the really spicy level 5 and the spicy chicken.
I think that's the strategy, but to be honest, for me it tastes like bubblegum.
It tastes like bubblegum. Like the kind of chewing gum that you would chew as like a kid.
Yeah, kid, yeah.
From like the convenience store. Okay, before we get into the spicy chicken, I think this crispy skin. Now Carolina isn't much of a skin lover,
Yeah.
but I am, so I'm really looking forward to this. Let's give this a go. Yeah, that's good. Very subtle flavor, very crunchy. Probably not your cup of tea.
I like the crunch, but to be honest, I usually like when it comes to the skin, like I cannot really taste the. Oh, be careful with the level 5.
Bit of level 5 sauce in there. Let's give this a go.
I think it's going to be too much. No.
I think it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought it's going to be too much.
It's
Okay.
getting spicier. Okay, I'm gonna have some of this pink lava.
So for me, when it comes to the skin, like I just cannot really taste the taste. So just
Yeah, there's
No.
not much taste to it.
you're eating it just for the sake of it, but like it's. I get why some people like
A
it.
bit salty, crispy. I like it. It's got a bit of fatty flavor to it. I wonder if you're supposed to combine it with cheese. I
I
don't
think
know.
it will actually be a game changer.
I actually quite like it without it. Okay.
What's next?
Oh, that level 5. Oh my. Oh, that crispy skin had the level 5 sauce on it.
Really?
The reason being, guys, is that the chicken skin is right next to the level 5 chicken there. Okay. Now, we're gonna up our game and we're gonna be going for... It is covered in like what looks like chili powder.
Chili powder, yeah.
Okay, let's move this one here.
So over here there was two options, like not spicy and spicy. So we went for the spicy one.
Ladies first.
I will take the
But
juicy part.
so we're up in the level, guys. This is, I think this is somewhere between level 0 and level 5. Is it spicy? Is it pedas?
It did. Oh no!
It is?
Now it hits. I like this level of spice, but I would say for people that cannot handle spice, it will be very spicy.
And I definitely not as good at handling spice as Carolina, which is ironic because I'm Indian and I should be able to handle spice.
But to be honest, I like both.
Okay, where should I bite here?
Here. It's like the Cajun style of powder.
Oh my god,
It is spicy.
that is spicy. I enjoyed this one more though. It's warmer, it's fresher, it has more flavor to it, but it is definitely, oh my god, yeah. Whew. I tell you guys, this is not for most boulets. Only the ones who are the faint-hearted and want to pretty much have a fire in their mouth. And you're actually handling it better than me.
Yeah, I quite like it. But for me, as a person that likes spice, it is spicy.
This actually is essential for your meal because otherwise it's just too spicy. It's on my tongue right now. Whew. I'm getting a bit scared for level 5, to be honest.
Let's try the rice now. I really like it. But in like fast food restaurant, they're covering it like a burger. And you can eat it like a burger.
I'm still struggling from this spicy level. I think the rice, what I really like about it, it's like little rice burgers. It really is hot. Whew. Okay.
It's just a rice, but to be honest, here in Indonesia, rice is different than back in Europe.
Is your
Really?
tongue not burning?
More my lips.
Oh, yeah. And I'm getting a bit of a runny nose. Now my tongue is spicy. It makes it feel spicy, the rice.
It makes it feel hotter as well.
Yeah.
someone is struggling.
I'm not looking forward to level 5. I'll be honest with you guys, I woke up this morning and I was not looking forward to level 5. I can't really handle spice very well. I like a little bit of spice, but this is getting to the point where
When I'm looking at it and I'm scared.
I might have to have like a little tiny piece. Let's see how it goes. But this rice is actually cooled it down. Like it's not as bad anymore.
I really like it actually.
But look at the drink levels.
Mine is full.
That's how much I had to drink.
I actually like to drink after my meal.
It is time to have the level 5. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not looking forward to this. I'm gonna try and just...
Yeah, lick it first. I think it will hit you.
Oh my god.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it's bad.
Take the drink, take the drink.
Add a little kick. Okay, ladies first. On this occasion, are you gonna bite it?
No, I think that I will lick it first.
It takes some time to hit you.
It goes to your throat, now it hits. It is painful, but I'm surviving. Like it's not as crazy as I thought, but I didn't bite it yet. And I'm scared to actually lick my fingers. It's such a normal thing to do. How it is.
Oh god, it's hot. It's like hitting me like the first, oh my god. Woo.
Is it as bad as you thought?
It's hard for me to think right now because it's that spicy, but the first like 5 to 10 seconds, you can't really taste too much. Or it doesn't hit you and then it hits you afterwards. I couldn't eat a whole piece of that. Pink lava.
For me, honestly, it is hot. It goes to your throat.
Oh, take a bigger bite. Take a bigger bite. Go on. Go on. My dad would love this. My dad loves spice.
I'm not cheating.
Even now, I can feel it on my tongue even more now. Oh god. Whew.
It is super spicy, but I'm surviving.
I can't believe you're handling that. Oh my god. Right.
So I'm not gonna lie. I took 2 big bites. My fingers are covered with this sauce. And it's very spicy. Like my mouth and my lips are just... It is very spicy.
It's really spicy. This ice cream is actually really good. And it cools it down really... You need the pink lava drink and the ice cream. You want to try some of this? Oh, my lips are burning. And my tongue still.
Oh. But it's really hitting.
It cools it down in the moment, but then afterwards, the fire returns.
Comes back. To be honest, yeah, my mouth is on fire. I don't know how people are eating it, the whole thing.
I was wondering why they serve the ice cream in the cup, but because it melts, it's like a milkshake. Alright. It's calming down now. I'm feeling a lot better. I don't think we're going to be able to finish the rest of that though. Are you going to eat the rest of that chicken, or do you think probably not a good idea?
I think I might try peeling the butter off, but
I don't know.
I don't know.
We still have our regular chicken. We still have the one which I still found spicy. But okay, so honest opinion. We've had KFC, we've had McDonald's.
I was literally thinking about the same thing. So believe me, guys, I'm not a fast food type of person.
Definitely not.
But
Wait. In the UK, we never go to fast food places because Carolina doesn't want to go to. I have to have KFC and McDonald's by myself.
Joking about chicken nuggets, but I'm like, no.
I don't like chicken nuggets, that's just a joke.
But in terms of the chicken here, I was actually thinking that, like, you know, like we are ordering...
Which one's better? Richeese, KFC or McDonald's?
I would say 100% Richeese.
Okay.
Like we've been ordering ayam goreng a lot of the times, and this one has a lot of meat. It's very flavorful with the butter, and it's not as greasy and as oily as the other fast food restaurants. It's just full.
I think with the cheese, I like the Richeese quite a bit, but I think I'm still a KFC lover.
Really?
Yeah, I still think KFC worldwide is my cup of tea.
KFC has this type of like a spice that it's very typical for them, so maybe.
Yeah, I like the KFC. This one is good.
This one is like real chicken with some other spices.
See, with Richeese, you've got this kind of pink drink which tastes quite like bubble gum, like a little bit like a processed flavor. Then you've got the kind of American style cheese,
Yeah.
which again is a bit like a process, and then you've got the level 5, so it's more like I don't know how to explain it, but it's more like, it doesn't feel
Extreme.
like but also it doesn't feel like real kind of fried chicken experience. It feels like a bit of a trend, or a bit of a
maybe, but I just like the meat.
But Carolina enjoyed it way more than me. I mean,
Yeah.
I still enjoyed it, but I'm a KFC boy.
Oh my god, my lips. Look at
KFC
this.
sponsor me.
Show your lips. Show your lips.
I want to say a big thank you to my dad, of all people, bought me 10 drinks on our Buy Me a Coffee, and considering he loves spice, honestly, we have English food which is not supposed to have spice in it, and he brings like a little bottle of Tabasco, and he puts it all over his food, and today he would love all of this food. I mean, he's not a big fan of fried chicken, to be honest, but the spice level he will definitely love. So I've got my pink lava. Cheers, Dad. I haven't seen my family for now 3 months, so it's been a long time. I was living at home with them, so hopefully, Dad, you're watching. Thank you so much for the drinks, and yeah, I'm guessing you're probably going to be sending me some messages saying that I can't handle my spice and that I need to man up, but honestly, guys, level 5 is just ridiculous. All right, guys, we have had a very good experience here. Carolina definitely is a big fan of Richeese, and I think I've got to convince Carolina to have some KFC, because I am definitely a KFC fanboy. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching our Richeese video.